Hope you all are fine. See, I have already uploaded the videos like how to write capital letters, small letters, then each sounds also. Next, I am going to teach you how to write cursive writing. Dear parents, don't think like that. It's only for kids. It will help the beginners also. I think when I was 18 years or 19 years, I started to write cursive writing. But nowadays, the KG students already started to write cursive writing. So, dear parents, no way we should have to teach them. I think no need extra more explanation about today's topic. Hope you all are understood. Let's start. Dear students, how many letters are there in alphabets? Yes, there are 26 letters. I have divided the letters into 5 groups according to the patterns. You can see here. For the 5th group, there is no pattern. I will teach you 3 spellings separately. Okay, clear? Then let me say, I won't teach the letters in order. You have already studied the letters, both capital letters and small letters. So, dear parents, make sure whether your child studied the normal letters, both capital letters and small letters very perfectly or not. Then only you can start the letters. Look at that. First pattern, you have to practice the pattern at first. Then individually you write it. The first letter is A. Start from the third line, touch the second line, then comes down. Yes, start from the third line, touch the second line, then comes down like a pattern. Once more, start from the third line, touch the second line, then comes down. Okay, next one C. That's very simple like a pattern. Start from the third line, write a curve. Start from the third line, write a curve like the normal C. It's very simple. You can practice it well. Then next one is D. Start from the third line, write like A, then goes to up, comes down. Start from the third line, write like A, goes to up, comes down. Start from the third line, then write like A, goes to up, comes down. It's also very simple. Next letter is G. Start from the third line, write like A, then comes down and cross it. Once more, start from the third line, then write like A, then comes down, then cross it. Next letter is Q. It's also start from the third line, write like A, then comes down, then goes to up, touch the third line. Once more, write like A, goes down, touch the third line. Next letter is O. We can write 2 types of O. One is with loop and another one is without loop. You can select it any one. Then look at the start from the third line, then touch to the second line, write with loop. Second pattern started. Start from the third line, touch to the second line, then comes down. First you practice the pattern well, then individually write the pattern also. Look at the like that. 2 types you practice it. Then next letter. We can make 2 letters from the second pattern, which are the E and L. Yes, E. First I wrote the E. Look at the how can we write it. Okay, second one L. E we wrote in between 2 lines. Then L we have to write in between 3 lines. Start from the second line, goes to top, then comes down. L. Next one is third pattern. Look at the how can we write the pattern. Yes, practice it well. Then which are the spellings we can make from the pattern? M and N. Don't take your hand, write the pattern smoothly. After that, you cut the pattern like M, then individually write it. Practice it both type. Which are the letters we can make from the third pattern? M and N. Okay, how can you write it? Start from the third line, then test the second line. We need 2 down curve. Okay, M. The next one, and start from the third line, goes to up, touch the second line, need only 1 down curve. N. Next pattern, look at the like a up curve. Don't take your hand, write it smoothly. First you practice it together, then cut it and individually write it. 2 letters we can make from last pattern, which are the U and W. We need only 1 up curve for the U, spelling U. Then W. Start from the third line, goes to up, then we need 2 up curve. Once more, start from the third line, goes to up, we need 2 up curve.
വീഡിയോ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്. ബൈ.